right? So here, since nothing is there within the year, that's why it is showing error. Okay. So when I will put the birth year within it, oh sorry, birth date within it. So you can see, okay, it is coming like 1964, 63, 74, like that. Is it okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now what I'm going to do is actually I am subtracting 2020, 1964 and all those years from 2022. Then only I can find the age now. Okay, current year minus the birth year. So for that I'm making a new column. Okay, I'm naming it as age. So for that, what I have to do, I have to subtract these two columns, right? Column contents, I should say. Okay, so the customer current minus, then what was that thing with year? Okay, so enter. See, now it is showing year of a person, right? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay then. See, sometimes it happens like you are having a small dashboard, okay, and if you are having huge, I mean, very lengthy statements or very lengthy terms within a column, which is actually being shown in your visuals also, then that will be a little difficult for you to manage space. Okay, so in that case, you can shorten some particular things like for January, you can write Jan. For February, you can like Feb. For March, you can write Mar, MAR. Okay, like that. Is it okay? Is it clear? Like what I'm trying to say? You can shorten some things. Okay. So in that case,
Yes, ma'am.
what you're doing, you're taking only the first three letters, right? So similarly, you can do that particular logic you can do in Power BI also using some conditions. I mean, using some functions. Okay. So for that, you have to use function left. Okay. I will tell you how. See, this is occupation. Okay. It is somewhat lengthy. This term is that professional is somewhat lengthy. If you want to make it small, that PROF. Okay. So in that case, you can go with that. So I will tell you how. First of all, make a new column. Okay. I'm renaming it as occupation, OCC. Okay. OCC is equal to, then I should write left. Okay. And within bracket, I have to mention the column name. What is the column name, everyone? Please tell me. What is the column name that I'm going to take? I told you right now, na? Occupation. Okay.
O- Occupation.
Correct. Okay, now this is the column name, comma. You have to write for. PROF is only that is you are taking now. So is equal. So you have to press enter. Now you can see regarding OCC, PROF is coming. Okay, corresponding to professional, PROF is coming. Now regarding other terms like skill, manner, SKIL will come because we are taking only first four letters. Okay, corresponding to manual, MANU will come. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so great. Now we are moving on to somewhat a little bit advanced case of this left condition. Okay, so for that I'm taking a new column. See, I want to tell you one thing that sometimes we may need the username. Okay, this is the username, right? Before it. Okay, if you want this new username, so in that case, you can use this left function itself. But you have to, do some modification. Actually, username is different in each and every one, right? You can't say that you can take 4 or 5 like that directly, isn't it? You understood my point?
Yes, ma'am.
In every email address, username is having different length. So in that case, we can use left but with some changes. Okay. So I'm making this column name as username. Okay, is equal to, then what you have to write is left only. Okay, left, it's coming. Okay, now what is the column? It was something like email, right?
Email address.
Yeah. Error appeared. Email address. Okay, email, email address. Okay, now what you have to do is that you have to search for it. Okay, the position of it. It will help you to extract the username. So for that, comma search, you have to use the condition is search. Okay, this is that particular function. Now what you have to do is that within search, okay, you have to put the character. What is the character? Everyone, please tell me. What is the character?
At the rate.
At the rate. Yeah, correct. Okay. Now, comma. What is the column name? You have to mention the column name again because you are using search condition. Na? Regarding which column name you have to mention. So, what is the column name, everyone?
Email address.
Correct. And if you will press enter, what will happen? Wait, let us see. Okay. It is also coming. Do you want it or you don't want it? Everyone, please respond. You want it?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
No or yes?
no.
No. So what you have to do? -1. Okay. Now enter. It will remove that unwanted thing also. Is it clear to all of you? We are actually searching that position from which up to which it should take. So since it is not required, I am subtracting that one. Like 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Similarly, okay, this particular thing will tell you the position. Okay, this thing will tell you the position. It will be a varying thing, row by row. And when you will put this -1 row by row, it will take only that much thing. Okay, it will eliminate it. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So that's it. This is your last part of this class. Okay, I'm going to stop the share.